video, we are going to introduce variables. A variable is a letter or other symbol that stands for any number within a specified or understood set of numbers. For example, in the formula for the area of a circle, a is equal to pi r squared. The variable r stands for the radius of the circle. More specifically, r stands for the number of units in the radius. If the radius is 5 centimeters, then r is equal to 5. The variable does not stand for the word radius, it stands for a number. That distinction is very important. Sometimes students use variables as labels. For example, when talking about water, a student may write W is equal to water. This is not fully correct. The variable W should not stand for the word water. Instead, W should stand for a number related to the water. To define the variable carefully, we need a unit of measurement. For example, we could say let W be the number of liters of water in the tank. Now, W stands for a number. It might be 12, it might be 25 and a half, or 100. But it is a number of liters. This matters because variables are used in calculations. If we write something like W minus 3, that expression only makes sense if W is a number. It could mean the number of liters of water after 3 liters are removed. But if W just means water, then W minus 3 does not make mathematical sense. Let's look at another example. Let's once again suppose we are solving a problem about a tank of water. We could let W be the number of gallons of water in the tank, but it doesn't have to be that. We could also let W be the number of liters of water in the tank. Both of these definitions could work, but that unit matters. Gallons and liters are different units, so we need to be clear. This is especially important in real-world contexts. When students define variables, encourage them to use phrases like, let X be the number of, or let W be the number of liters, or let D be the number of days. These expressions help keep the variable connected to a number. The big idea is, variables stand for numbers. They are not just labels or abbreviations. When we use variables in word problems, we should define them carefully, including the unit or quantity they represent. That careful language helps students build a stronger foundation for algebra.